Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building the HTML skeleton so the UI exists for logic to run. Create a simple container with a display element and a grid of buttons for 0, 9, period, operators, equals, and clear. Once done, assign ID or data action attributes to each button. This makes event wiring straightforward. Make sure to keep the display as a single element, so you only update one node in Javascript. This reduces DOM work and keeps updates predictable. You now wire JavaScript to the UI and manage state. Start by selecting buttons and attaching click listeners that call a handler with the button's action. Create state variables, current value, previous value operator, and waiting for second operand to track flow. When a digit is pressed, append or replace the display. When is pressed, guard against multiple decimals. When an operator is pressed, if operator exists, compute intermediate result, otherwise store current value. This avoids chaining errors and keeps calculate. You finish by implementing the calculate function that takes a, b, and op and returns the numeric result. Include a guard for divide by zero and normalize inputs with parse float. Once implemented, add keyboard support and small unit tests for edge cases like multiple decimals, negative numbers, and operator chaining. Make sure to test in responsive layouts and deploy as a static site. If something goes wrong, use console logs to inspect state. Isolate the failing input, and check for parse float precision issues and unintended string concatenation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.